What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping back in, guys. Still dealing with this cold or sickness or whatever it is I'm dealing with, but I wanted to check in with you all just to give you guys some guidance for not only how to respond and play the CPI report on tomorrow. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I wanted to share this, guys. I really couldn't get down today, man. I end up just going to sleep, but I did one play today, and I just got in and out the market. Sometimes you see opportunities, but sometimes, guys, you got to let trades pass you by. If you not feeling the best, if you're not on top of your game, that's okay to do. Okay, so today for me, I only did one trade today. I'm hoping to feel better tomorrow, and hopefully the market movement of the CPI report, whether up or down, gives me more opportunity to, to make some larger moves on tomorrow. So I will be looking forward to that. Really quickly, guys, I want to kick it off with Tesla. Man, the market is moving fast. I just made a video yesterday telling you guys to prepare for Tesla to come to not only 180, okay, and look at where we're at today, guys. We are at 176.90 at the close of day on today. Okay, that's just how fast the market is moving, man. And so I want you to really, not only, as I often say, guys, get in the Discord first and foremost, but find your trusted voice. I try to show up even if I'm sick, man, just to kind of share my insights so that you guys hopefully could take advantage of them. And major salute to those of you that did take advantage of Tesla today and all the other plays. Okay, I did get the screenshots, I did get the emails, but look, guys, Tesla it broke through 180. Okay, and so where is it going from here? All right, let me go back through and kind of show you guys how to find the levels. Remember this morning in Discord I said it would go to 194, and if it don't break, it's going to get rejected or smacked back down, and it got smacked right back down to 187. Okay, at that point in time, guys, once you see a rejection happen, now all the things we talk about, all the price targets to the downside are activated. Okay, so once 187, they ran a test of 187 right here at 9:30, and then they ran it back up to 194, so that established a quick range. All right, but then from there it fell, then a quick bounce back up, but this time, guys, it didn't have the strength to go any higher, and this proceeded to sell off the rest of the day, finishing the day down over 7%. Okay, this was a setup that, again, whether you took advantage of the 187 bounce to 194, that was some easy money, or if you took advantage of the rejection of the resistance level 194 and rolled that down, this one ended up coming down all day today, making new 52-week lows in Tesla stock. Okay, so listen, guys, the levels for tomorrow to the downside. Okay, always expect a pop. The market, unless it gaps down and flushes in after hours, they'll always try to fool you. Okay, so expect a little pop. Maybe the pop might go back to, let's just see here, 181. They might try to capture that 180 level I told you guys about. Okay, if they can recapture that level, then maybe they might try to get back to 185. All right, but check this out, the level to the downside, because any move upwards, unless CPI comes in and we are going on a new bear market rally, any pop will be short-lived. Okay, so it's going to come right back down, but this time the level will be 175. Okay, respect 180 as resistance. Remember, support turns into resistance. At first, when when Tesla was 230, I kept telling you guys it was gonna come to 180. Okay, 180 was support. Now 180 is resistance. 180 will be the ceiling. Okay, and so when it hits 180 now, it's going to get smacked back down. I'm gonna be telling you guys that. And then now 175 would be your new level, and then 169. Okay, now mind you, all of this is en route to 140, but remember I told you everything going level, so it won't happen in one fellow swoop, even though today they dropped it pretty swiftly. All right, check this out, guys. Apple, I'm only showing you this one because it's sitting here at 134. It's under 135. What's our levels on Apple if you rock with me long term? We nibble at 140. We nibble at 135. We DCA a little bit more at 130. We love it at 120 or below, okay? Just want you guys to see how real wealth over the long term is built, all right? This is all we do, okay? Yep, it might feel like doom and gloom in this bear market that's been going on, seem like forever now, but again, these days won't last forever, okay? You just gotta respect the levels, know the levels you want to start nibbling and establishing your positions at, okay? For me, it's always under 140, so I'm just highlighting to you that it's under another level, 135. Then I'm gonna highlight Apple again when it's at 130, and I'm gonna get it even more excited, and hopefully I'm not sick when it's under 120, because under 120 then my position sizes are even bigger. Why? Because I know when the market turns back positive, this stock will have a 25%, 35% bounce at the minimum, okay? That's just what we looking out for, all right? And then I want to show you guys SPY, okay? Now this one, they were expecting a red wave today, meaning the stock market them got off into politics and they was looking for Republicans to have a sweep in these midterm elections, and that didn't happen, okay? But because it didn't happen, the market sold off today. And so look at this. Let's just go through. I told you guys in the Discord this morning, look for a test of 381 to 382. Look at this, guys. We ran a test. We got up to this 380, 381 level and got rejected. We got smacked down to 378, but then we popped back up back to 380. Okay, that was a level that, again, you just want to be mindful of, that 380 to 382 level. All right, once we lost that, guys, it was downhill the remainder of the day. Shout out to anybody that was able to take advantage of this. Okay, I did a little thing with this today, but again, guys, still feeling down and out, so I went and laid down and missed a lot of these awesome moves that were in the market on today. But check it out though, guys. We got CPI report tomorrow, and it's going to be market moving if it comes in hot, or if it comes in and it shows that it's going down. Okay, if we get like a 7 handle, like a 7.8, then the market may use that to go up. I want you to react. I want you to expect a move of $5 to $10 in the SPY in either direction. I will be in the Discord in the morning to give you guys guidance on the report and how we want to play it, and hopefully we can make some money to kind of set ourselves up to close out the week with a bang. Okay, with that being said, guys, I won't hold you guys up. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock, use my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.